Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about the key features of Power BI workflow, where we will delve into each element description and key features. In this video, we will walk you through the intricacies of Power BI workflow from data connection to report sharing and uncovering the essential features that drive the effective data analysis and decision making. Let's embark on this enlightening journey through the Power BI ecosystem. The first one is the data connection. Data connection serves as the initial step in the Power BI workflow, allowing the users to connect Power BI to a diverse array of data sources. This crucial step lays the foundation for insightful analysis by enabling the users to access and integrate the data from the databases, files, online services, and cloud platforms. Some of its key features are connectivity to the diverse data sources, ensuring flexibility in accessing and integrating data. The next one is option for importing or establishing the direct queries, providing the versatility in data retrieval methods. Now, the second one in the list is the data transformation and cleaning. Data transformation and cleaning are essential steps in preparing raw data for analysis within Power BI. Powered by Power Query, this step enables the users to cleanse, shape, and transform the imported data, ensuring that it is in a suitable format for analysis. Some of its key features are graphical interface facilitates the intuitive data transformation task. Next one is the features such as filtering, reshaping, and merging data, which enhances the data quality and consistency. The third one in the list is data modeling. Data modeling involves structuring and organizing the data within Power BI to create a coherent analytical foundation. Leveraging Power Pivot, users can establish the relationships between tables, define calculated columns, and build a structured data model. Some of its key features are in-memory data modeling ensures efficient data processing and analysis, and user-friendly interface simplifies the relationship creation and management. The next one in the list is text formulas. Data analysis expressions, also known as DAX, plays a pivotal role in enhancing the analytical capabilities of data models within Power BI. DAX enables users to create calculated columns, measures, and custom calculations, facilitating the advanced analysis and insight derivations. Some of its key features are formula language supports complex calculations and business logic. The next one is the extensive library of text functions provide flexibility in analysis and reporting. The next one in the workflow is report author. Now, report authoring involves creating visually compelling reports and dashboards within Power BI desktop. This step allows the users to arrange visual elements, design layouts, and create interactive visuals to convey the insights effectively. Some of its key features are drag and drop interface, enabling the user to create intuitive reports. The next one is wide variety of built-in and custom visualizations catering to diverse report needs. The next one in the list is report interactivity. The interactivity features enhances the usability and engagement of reports within the Power BI. Users can incorporate the features such as drill downs, slicers, filters, and end bookmarks to allow for dynamic exploration of data. Some of its key features are cross filtering and highlighting facilitates interactivity in data exploration. The next one is interactive elements, empowers users to interact with the data dynamically, uncovering the insights with ease. The next one in the list is data sharing. Data sharing enables the users to disseminate insights and reports within the organizations or with specific stakeholders. With Power BI, users can publish reports to Power BI services for broader access and sharing options. Some of its key features are direct publishing from Power BI desktop to Power BI services streamlines the sharing process. The next one is shareable links and embedding options provide flexibility in sharing reports with diverse audience. The next one in the list is collaboration. Collaboration features within Power BI fosters a teamwork and knowledge sharing among the users. With the ability to collaborate on reports and dashboards simultaneously, users can leverage the real-time collaboration feature to drive the meaningful outcomes. Some of its key features are real-time collaboration enables multiple users to work on shared content simultaneously. The next one is commenting and annotation features facilitates the communication and feedback exchange among the users. The next one in the list is scheduled data refresh. Scheduled data refresh ensures that reports within Power BI remain up to date with the latest data. This feature enables users to configure automatic data refreshes at a specific interval, maintaining the accuracy and relevance of the insights. Some of its key features are automatic refreshing of data ensures that the report reflects the most recent data and its changes. The next one is support for both on-premises and cloud-based data sources, provides flexibility in data refresh options. The next one in the list is mobile accessibility. Mobile accessibility enables the users to access the reports and dashboards on the go using Power BI mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. With responsive design optimized for mobile devices, users can stay connected and informed even when they are away from their desk. Some of its key features are responsive design ensures optimal viewing and interaction on mobile devices. The next one is retention of interactivity on smaller screen enables the users to explore insights seamlessly. The next one in the list is Power BI Service. Power BI Service serves as the central hub for hosting and managing Power BI content in the cloud. With its cloud based platform, users can view and interact with reports, access shared workspaces, and leverage the organizational content packs. Some of its key features are web-based platforms provides accessibility to report from any browser. The next one is shared workspaces and organizational content packs facilitates the collaboration and knowledge sharing. So that was all. In this comprehensive exploration, we have unveiled the key features of each element within the Power BI workflow, highlighting the essential functionalities that drive effective data analysis and decision making. Armed with this knowledge, you are now equipped to leverage with the full potential of Power BI and unlock the new possibilities for your organization data analytics journey. This was all for this session. In the next session, we will be talking about the process of creating a report in Power BI. Thank you.